This is the story of a yellow parrot named Cory, who lived with his mother in a nest on the top of a tree. This is their nest, high and deep. This is baby Cory, sound asleep. When Cory was happy, he jiggled and wiggled and jumped high. He looked out his nest and said, "Mummy, one day I too will fly." But there was one thing that made Cory very sad. He was yellow and not green. It made him feel bad. The parrots were all green who came to Cory's nest. They asked why he was yellow and not green like the rest. Cory really didn't know what to say. He just hoped he would turn green one day. As the days passed, he worried more and more. Being so different made him feel sore. "Mother, I really don't like my color," Cory cried out loud. "You're a beautiful bright yellow," she replied, "and I am proud." But Cory did not want to be yellow. He wanted to be green because he was different. He felt the other parrots were mean. They joked and poked fun and made Cory sad. Until he said, "My yellow color is bad." He rolled in green leaves, but they would not stay. When Cory moved, the green leaves blew away. Cory no longer jiggled and wiggled and jumped high. He always felt sad and many times he would cry. His mother was worried, so she made a plan. Cory must learn he is beautiful as soon as he can. One day, when Cory's wings were strong, his mother told him, "Come along. It's time for you to leave the nest. I'll fly with you and you'll learn the rest. One day you will learn to fly all alone and travel the world, which is your home." So off they flew into the sky. Cory and his mother went high. She asked him, "How do you feel, my love, when you look at the world from above?" "A bit scared," said Cory. "I don't know what's ahead." His mother told him not to worry. He would learn soon. There was no hurry. Cory and his mother landed at the zoo. Among other animals, parrots lived there too. They perched on a sign that said Parrot Olympics today. An arrow pointed to the entrance to show people the way. Inside, people sat in rows, keen to watch the parrot shows. Cory flew in with his mother. The hall was full of color. The parrots were red, yellow, orange, purple, and green. So many different colors Cory had not seen. The show began and the parrots zipped and zapped. The people were happy and they clapped and clapped. Cory watched with excitement as he was amazed. The beautiful colors of the parrots made him feel dazed. His wings itched and twitched. To be with them is what he wished. And then the whistle blew and Cory flew. Through the hoop, With a whoop and a swoop, the people clapped and cheered from far and wide. Cory the yellow parrot swelled with pride. What he did then was a surprise. His mother couldn't believe her eyes. He did a jiggle and a wiggle and jumped high. His mother knew he was happy as she saw him fly. People clapped and cheered as they saw Cory go. They really did enjoy this special part of the show. Cory and his mother flew back to their nest. After a long day, Cory needed to rest. He woke up happy that his color was yellow, puffed up his feathers and said, "I'm a fine fellow." Now, when green parrots visit Cory, he jiggles and wiggles and jumps high. He greets them and says, "I'm a smart yellow parrot. Thanks for coming by."